If you suffer from advanced dry eye disease, standard treatments and daily maintenance may not be enough to break the cycle of pain. At Rosen Optometry, we offer specialized treatments for severe cases to actively protect your eyes and regenerate the damaged tissue. We offer scleral contact lenses. These large, custom-fit lenses vault completely over your sensitive cornea. They act as a liquid bandage, holding a constant reservoir of soothing moisture against your eye all day. We also utilize punctal plugs. These tiny, painless devices are inserted into your tear drainage ducts. By acting like a stopper in the sink, they keep your natural tears and moisturizing drops on the surface of your eye significantly longer. For eyes with severe corneal damage or intense pain, we use the profound healing power of amniotic membranes. Placed directly on the eye, this biological bandage is rich in nerve growth factors and anti-inflammatory properties to promote rapid cellular healing. And when traditional prescription eye drops aren't enough, we offer Autologous serum eye drops, custom compounded eye drops using a sample of your own blood. These drops are packed with natural biological nutrients and closely mimic your own natural tears to powerfully heal damaged tissue. You don't have to live with severe dry eye pain. If standard treatments haven't worked, schedule your personalized dry eye assessment at Rosen Optometry today. Rosen Optometry. See your best. Look your best.